You're using ChatGPT wrong, and it's costing you thousands of dollars. While most people ask ChatGPT basic questions, smart AI entrepreneurs are using it to make $10,000 plus per month. What if I told you ChatGPT can? Write your entire resume and land you a job in minutes. Automate customer service and charge businesses $3,000 a month. Generate YouTube scripts that pull in $10K/month. Write high-ranking blogs that generate passive income. In this video, I'm exposing 5 ChatGPT money-making secrets that can turn AI into your full-time income. Stay till the end. Secret hash 5 is the biggest untapped AI goldmine that most people ignore. Secret hash 1, AI resume and cover letter writing. Make $200 per client. Fact: hiring managers spend less than 6 seconds looking at resumes. ChatGPT can create job-winning resumes, ATS-friendly cover letters, and LinkedIn profiles in seconds. How to make money? Offer AI-powered resume writing as a service on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Charge $50 to $200 per resume. Help clients optimize LinkedIn profiles and charge an extra $100 per profile. Pro tip: use ChatGPT with Resi or Nova Resume to create premium, perfectly formatted resumes and boost your pricing. Secret hash 2, AI-powered email and customer support. Earn $3,000 plus per month. Businesses receive hundreds of emails daily, and they'll pay top dollar for instant AI-powered email handling. ChatGPT can write sales emails, automate customer support, and even handle refund requests. How to make money? Offer an AI email automation service to small businesses. Charge $500 to $3,000 per month to manage emails with ChatGPT. Upsell AI-powered chatbot integration and charge $1,000 extra. Pro tip: use Zapier to connect ChatGPT to Gmail and automate the entire process. You make money while ChatGPT does the work. Secret hash 3, AI blogging and SEO writing. Make $5,000 a month in passive income. Websites that rank on Google make thousands every month. ChatGPT can write SEO-optimized blogs, and with the right strategy, you can turn AI-written content into a passive income stream. How to make money? Start a blog in a high-paying niche: finance, tech, health. Use ChatGPT to generate SEO-rich articles. Monetize with Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Scale to $5,000/month plus as your traffic grows. Pro tip: use Surfer SEO or Phrase to fine-tune ChatGPT's articles for Google's top rankings and maximize earnings. Secret hash 4, ChatGPT-powered YouTube script writing. Earn $10,000 a month. AI-generated YouTube videos are taking over the platform, and ChatGPT can write entire video scripts in minutes. With AI voiceovers and AI video editors, you can run a faceless YouTube channel and make $10K plus/month. How to make money? Use ChatGPT to write engaging YouTube scripts. Combine it with Flicky or Runway ML to generate full videos. Monetize with YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Scale to $10K/month plus by posting 2-3 AI-generated videos per week. Pro tip: find trending video topics using VidIQ and TubeBuddy to skyrocket your views and earnings. Secret hash 5, AI chatbot freelancing. Earn $5,000 plus per month. Companies are spending millions on AI chatbots to automate sales, customer service, and lead generation. ChatGPT-powered bots can replace human agents, and you can charge businesses thousands to build one for them. How to make money? Use ChatGPT plus ManyChat to build AI-powered customer service bots. Offer custom chatbot setup on Fiverr or Upwork. Charge $500 to $5,000 per bot, depending on complexity. Upsell AI chatbot maintenance and updates for recurring monthly income. Pro tip: target e-commerce stores and real estate businesses. They'll pay premium prices for AI chatbots. AI is the future of wealth. Are you in or out? ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. The question is, Are you going to sit back and watch others make money? Or will you start your AI hustle today? Comment below which AI money-making method you try first. Subscribe now because next episode, we expose deepfake AI, how people are making millions with fake videos.